Hi everyone, it's Tiffany with Bearable Traders here to do my recap. I had NVIDIA on my watch list this morning. It had great volume. I believe it was right over 500K, which is really good for NVIDIA pre-market. So I saw that it had set up really nice as a 5-minute opening range breakup, but I missed the entry. It was a really nice bull candle at the open, and it didn't pull back to the VWAP. I really like for it to pull back to give me a better entry, but it just took off when it made a new 5-minute high. So I didn't feel comfortable with my entry. So I just sat and waited for it to come back and retest the VWAP. Well, little did I know it was gonna like just smash through the VWAP and down to S3. As you can see right here, it touched S3. And regained strength and pushed back up through the VWAP. So this was a false breakdown. So then you have an ABCD pattern happening once it claimed the VWAP, and you also have this first 15-minute bull candle was really nice and strong, and then as it pulled back down through the VWAP, then you have a hammer doji with a really long wick to the bottom side, and then a new high, a new 15-minute high, new 5-minute high after the pullback of the retest of the VWAP once it claimed it. And then you have it breaking up this 204 daily level. So all of those things made me take it long. And also the SPY was also trading very similarly to the SPY, and the SPY was also breaking out. I will say I prematurely took a 25% partial, but it was an important level. This is previous day close level right here. So I took a 25% partial here. My stop loss was VWAP. So as you can see, it was only about a 1-to-1. So I shouldn't have taken this partial here, especially since it really did not give me that much of a signal that it was going to stop here. So then I took another 25% at this 205 level. There were huge asks sitting here, and it was the high of the day, and it was also sitting at a daily level. So just in case it decided to be a double top here, I took another 25% partial. Then it consolidated above yesterday's close and pushed up through this daily level on nice volume right here. Now, as you can see right here on the 1-minute chart, you have a shooting star doji and some nice volume that came in. So I went ahead and partialed. The reason I partialed here is because of this 1-minute candle with the volume, and I partialed 50% there in case it did turn around from there, because it was having a really hard time pushing up through this daily level. Now I was able to get a really nice partial here at this other daily level at the 206.50, and which is right here shy of R3. And then it threw up a shooting star doji on the 15-minute chart. And if you missed my video from last week, I discussed further about my reversals using the 15-minute shooting star doji. So after it showed signs of reversing, I exited everything except for about 10% of my position, which is right here. And then the rest of it came and stopped me out at break even. Now, I know that I probably should have went ahead and exited everything after this reversal signal. However, my entry was below VWAP. It was below yesterday's previous day's close, and right at this 204 daily level. So I thought I possibly had a chance to avoid the pullback and maybe stay in there for another run. But as you can see, it came back and stopped me out at break even. So that was my NVIDIA trade for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and feel free to ask any questions about this trade down below. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.